Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn what are the benefits of eating pizza. Somewhat different no in the contents that I publish in my channel, but it is very interesting also to learn no. Some people think that eating pizza is eating a junk food, but it is not all the case no. There are some beneficial and health benefits of eating pizza. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Benefits of eating pizza. Eating pizza have several benefits, though moderation is key to its calorie and high fat content. Here are some potential benefits. Nutrient rich. Pizza can provide essential nutrients such as calcium from cheese, vitamins from vegetables, and carbohydrates from the crust. Source of protein. Depending on the toppings, pizza can be a good source of protein, which is important for muscle repair and growth. Convenience. It's a convenient meal option, readily available and customizable to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. Mood booster. For many people, pizza is a comfort food that can improve mood and provide a sense of satisfaction. Social enjoyment. Sharing pizza with friends or family can enhance social bonding and create positive experiences. Energy boost. The carbohydrates in pizza crust can provide quick energy, which is beneficial for those needing a quick meal before a physical activity. However, it's important to balance pizza consumption with a healthy diet. Overall, incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to ensure you get a variety of nutrients. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the benefits that we can get in eating pizza. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.